Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video, I will explain one of the ITSM improvement module, KPI Composer. It includes introduction, features and capabilities, benefits and impact, implementation and best practices. So let's start with introduction. KPI Composer aims to streamline the process of identifying and tracking KPIs that are crucial for ITSM success. Its primary goal is to ensure that IT services are aligned with overall business objectives and delivering optimal value. The tool is designed for IT managers and service delivery teams and business analysts who are responsible for monitoring and improving IT service performance. Then KPI Composers integrate seamlessly with other ServiceNow ITSM processes such as incident management, problem management, and change management, ensuring a holistic approach to service improvement. By providing a structured approach to KPI management, KPI Composer plays a critical role in strategic planning and continuous improvement of IT services. Then features and capabilities. Pre-built KPI templates. KPI Composer comes with a variety of pre-built templates that cover common ITSM metrics, making it easy to get started with minimal setup time. Then customizable dashboard. User can create and customize dashboards to visualize key performance matrices in a way that best suits their needs, facilitating better decision making. Then real-time analytics. The tool provides real-time analytics, enabling users to monitor performance matrices as they happen and quickly respond to any issues or trends. Then integration with other modules. KPI composers can be integrated with other ServiceNow modules such as IT operations management and IT business management to provide a comprehensive view of IT performance. Then benefits and impact. Enhanced alignment with business goals. KPI Composer helps ensure that IT services are directly contributing to business objectives, leading to better overall performance and value. Then continuous improvement. By regularly monitoring and analyzing KPIs, organization can identify areas for improvement and implement changes that lead to better service delivery. Then increased transparency and accountability. The tool promotes transparency by providing clear, easily accessible performance data and foster accountability by linking performance matrices to specific teams and individuals. Then improved service quality and customer satisfaction. With better insights into performance, organization can enhance the quality of their IT services, resulting in higher customer satisfaction and loyalty. Then implementation and best practices. Defining objectives. Implementing KPI composers begins with defining clear objectives. This involves identifying business goals and prioritize mapping IT services to these objectives, establishing measurable KPIs and setting achievable targets and benchmarks. Then selecting relevant KPIs. Selecting relevant KPI is crucial for effective performance management. This process involves choosing KPIs that reflect critical success factors, ensuring they are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, leveraging industry standards and best practices, and customizing KPIs to fit organizational needs. Then configuring dashboard. Configuring dashboards involve designing user-friendly and intuitive interfaces, incorporating real-time data and analytics, enabling role-based access and views, and integrating with other service modules and external systems. Well-designed dashboard provides valuable insight and support informed decision making. Then setting up review processes. Setting up review processes is essential for continuous improvement. This involves establishing regular review cycles involving key stakeholders in performance assessments, continuously refining and updating KPIs based on feedback, and utilizing insights for decision making and optimization. Regular reviews ensure that KPIs remain relevant and aligned with business objectives. So that's all about KPI composers. In my next video, I will explain and other ITSM improvement modules, predictive analytics. Thank you.